Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 874 of the Crypto Corner podcast. Crypto Corner was recently named one of 14 of the best crypto and blockchain podcasts by the site Your Oyster, that's Y-O-R-E. Oyster. You can check out this list along with a write-up about Crypto Corner over at youroyster.com/blog/best-crypto-podcasts. Now for news today, Galaxy Digital has terminated its BitGo acquisition, Bitfarms has posted its Q2 results, and Equinix is streamlining its operations. But just before we get into the news today, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Alright, so Galaxy Digital Holdings Limited, which trades on the TSX under the ticker GLXY, has announced the termination of its previously announced acquisition agreement with digital asset firm BitGo, following the latter's failure to deliver by July 31st audited financial statements for 2021. Mike Novogratz, the CEO and founder of Galaxy, commented, quote, Galaxy remains positioned for success and to take advantage of strategic opportunities to grow in a sustainable manner. We are committed to continuing our process to list in the U.S. and providing our clients with a prime solution that truly makes Galaxy a one-stop shop for institutions. End quote. Bitfarms Limited, which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker BITF, has reported its financial results for the second quarter ended June 30th. Highlights include the mining of 1,257 bitcoins, an increase in revenue to $42 million, and a gross mining profit of $27 million. Jeff Lucas, the company's CFO, explains, quote, by deleveraging our balance sheet and increasing financial flexibility, we are better positioned to execute our growth initiatives to drive market share gains and increase production. As careful stewards of capital, to better align with our capacity expansion, we amended our miner delivery schedule to match our deployment plan. Thus, we optimized resources, deferring $39 million in CapEx spending from the fourth quarter of 2022 into 2023. End quote. Lastly for today, Equinix Limited, which trades on the Nasdaq as EQOS, has announced that it is taking actions to streamline its operations and focus resources on the businesses that offer the most potential for revenue growth and long-term financial sustainability, namely asset management and custody. Notably, this will include the company exiting from the crypto exchange space. CEO Jonathan Farnell said, quote, the recent extreme market volatility and declining trading volumes have added to the headwinds being felt by exchange operators. We take a realistic view that our exchange will not move the needle for us financially over the near to medium term. We don't see value in continuing to bear the costs of operating an exchange during what may be a prolonged market downturn. We have conviction that proactively exiting the crowded exchange space is the right decision to deliver shareholder value. End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss in investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available.